So let's do a quick recap. What have we learned so far? It's possible. Don't let the crazy mind take over. Steer it. Steer it. Use the mind as a tool to steer your thinking. To understand that you can actually run your mind, it doesn't run you. What else?
The be-do results of the do have.
Be-do have. Create who it is that you want to be as a trader. The type of trader you want to be. From that place, your actions will flow. Of course, it'll be a process of self-correction over time. Your actions will dictate your results. So it's about being very proactive rather than just getting straight into the do. This is what I have to do. Create the kind of person you want to be, what your thinking is, what your attitudes are, how you're going to function, which impacts so much on all those actions and therefore on your results, what it is you have. Great. What else?
Learning and change readiness.
Learning and change readiness, the teachability quotient. How willing am I to learn? How willing am I to change? Check in. Use that on a weekly basis, guys. Check in. It'll give you great feedback to know if you've got to get busy implementing or if you've got to crack yourself open a bit so you can take in more. That willingness is there. Because remember, willingness is not just a mental activity. It is an emotional activity. It's an openness. It's a beingness. It's an energetic aspect to it. What else? Shoulds. What are the hidden standards? Check in on this frequently. How are you running perfectionism? What are the shoulds that you're running on yourself? So that you can see what some of the thinking is that you're engaging with. From that place, then, you can actually create some steps to overcome that, to manage that, to work with it. So you can look at it analytically. So you're not just crucifying yourself in regard to how you function, how you think, how you enter and exit a trade, how much money you're making or not. You see how critical this is? Because so much mental and emotional energy gets tied up in a lot of this stuff that's just running on an unconscious level. And then there was the last thing, perfectionism, and how the shoulds tie into that. There's perfectionism and there's progress. Perfectionism kills progress. Focus on progress. As a trader, every trading session, check in as to what progress you are making. This is the quickest, easiest way to get this perfectionism in line. Now, as a trader, check on your progress. I've told you I'm going to give this performance and profitability accelerator. The key thing with that, it's a debrief process where you will check in on your progress every single trading session. You're going to see if you're on track or off track. No right or wrong. And then you'll be able to take the steps that you need to, incremental steps, baby steps. Small changes over a long period of time create big change. Big change. And I think a lot of people underestimate that. So that's why I go, cut yourself some slack. Be kind to yourself and allow yourself to actually take incremental steps with the focus on the progress.